I'm Chris Lee, head of sales at Deel. Today, we're going to follow the journey of an HR leader working in an AI company. But not just any HR leader, a one-person powerhouse who's managing the entire employee lifecycle. Hiring, onboarding, payroll, performance, all with Deel as their trusted partner. The company uses Deel for their domestic US team and their entire international team as well. So let's get started.
The product design team needs AI talent, but local candidates are limited. So we're expanding globally. With Deel, workforce planning isn't done in spreadsheets. HR, finance, and hiring managers collaborate in real time. As headcount requests are made on the platform, I can approve them in a few clicks without the bottlenecks. Now, where should I hire? With Deel's global hiring insights, I can instantly compare different countries based on employer costs, compliance, and talent availability. Turns out, Brazil is the best option for our team. Next, let's start recruiting. Instead of spending hours searching LinkedIn, I post the job on Deel Talent. Deel connects me with a hiring partner, and within 24 hours, resumes start rolling in. One candidate stands out, Gabriel Silva. He's a great match. From here, it's easy. I message the hiring partner, schedule interviews, create an offer, and just like that, Gabriel is hired. Deel kicks off onboarding right after I click hire. Since I already have an entity in Brazil, Gabriel joins as a direct employee. I enter his details, and Deel handles everything: compliance, background checks, and even equity. I finalize his contract, send his Deel invite, and his profile syncs instantly with our HRIS and org chart. Gabriel signs and joins the team. Shipping a MacBook in Brazil is complicated. Import taxes, customs delays, and logistics can be a hassle. Instead, I use Deel IT to source and ship his laptop and accessories. They arrive pre-installed with security software and our company app access, so he has everything day one. To make onboarding even smoother, I create a workflow to send Gabriel a welcome email and grant him access to our learning courses, all without any manual work. I'll also set up a 30-day check-in survey to track his onboarding experience. Gabriel's been here a few weeks, so it's time to check payroll. Normally, managing multiple pay cycles across countries is complex, but Deel makes it easy. Payroll is processed automatically, real-time calculations keep everything accurate, and if I ever need local compliance info, the Deel Compliance Hub is always available. Managing a team of 150 isn't about getting people in the door. It's about making sure they thrive. With Deel Engage, I launch a performance review cycle, set up 360-degree feedback, and even sync performance increases directly into compensation adjustments. With insights and reports ready, I walk into my leadership meeting prepped with updates on headcount, payroll costs, and growth rate across all countries. Just as I wrap up, Gabriel pings me about expense submissions. Instead of waiting, he asks Deel AI and gets an instant answer. No delays or hassle. From hiring and onboarding to payroll and performance, I've done it all seamlessly in one place. Imagine how much easier your job could be with Deel.